Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a first impression and review for you on the Ethique Bliss Bar Face Cleansing Bar. I wanted to try one of these because I'm not really a soap fan, and I know that a lot of companies are coming out with more bar-based or soap bar-based products. Obviously, saving on plastic packaging is a huge thing in the beauty industry at the moment, and I know a lot of brands are trying to improve their impact on the environment. So I thought it would be interesting to trial this on camera in front of you. I've never tested this before, and see if I like it or not. I have used, I think it's Sasu. I did a first impression on a gold soap bar, and I didn't mind that. The only thing I've found in the past with a lot of soap bars is they leave me with that squeaky sort of clean feeling, which I actually don't like. I don't like that like feeling like it's left a residue or something on my face. So the one that I have is for normal to dry skin. They also have a cleansing balm and makeup remover, and they also have a face cleanser for oily skin, which is more targeted towards oily or acne prone skin. So some of the ingredients that this normal to dry skin contains is creamed coconut butter, vegetable glycerin and clay. It cleanses without stripping sensitive skin, 100% soap and fragrance free, so hopefully that means we won't get that squeaky feeling. This is pH balanced. Obviously it's plastic free, vegan, cruelty free, sustainable and palm oil free. So there's a lot of good going on here for this product. They do have storage containers. So this is what their shower storage containers look like. So you can put a lid on them, and I imagine that they would have little air holes underneath. I'm just going to jump in and see if it works. I just want to have a little smell because I always have to smell products. It definitely smells like coconut, but it's not overpowering. So I just had a look online at their site, and it says to wet your face, wet the bar, rub it between your hands to get a lather going, and then use it to cleanse your skin. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to kind of dampen my skin. Just got my Sante by Enyo microfiber cloth. Oh my god, water's going everywhere. So at the moment, I really wanted to test it out wearing makeup as well to see if it does remove makeup. And at the moment, I just have like a light sheer foundation on, a little bit of concealer and powder, and then I have some brow gel and some mascara. So I'm going to wet the bar, just lathering it up. By the way, these bars cost around $25 to $26, so it will be interesting to see how much use I get out of it. Oh, it does lather up quite nicely. It feels really nice. This is going to be a little bit awkward because I do want to see how well it removes mascara, but I think I'm going to have to do one eye at a time because I need to be able to see what I'm doing. I'm just going to do this eye. It does feel really nice on the skin. It's nice and creamy. That's probably the word for it, creamy. Okay, let me just rinse my eye before I sting the hell out of it. Well, it looks like it's gotten rid of the mascara, which is a good start. So I'm just going to remove the soap. I think because it has the coconut product in it, it is going to remove your makeup quite well. Oh, the floor is saturated underneath me. Okay, I'm just going to pat my skin dry. Okay, so looking up close, my skin looks super clean. It's removed all of my makeup, and it actually feels really balanced. It doesn't, I'm not getting that squeaky clean feeling. It just feels like I've cleansed my face, but it doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel like it's left any oily residue. I know a lot of people are hesitant with products that contain coconut oil in fear of clogging your pores, but it has left zero residue on my face. It doesn't feel like when you cleanse your face with coconut oil to remove makeup and you are left with a residue. It doesn't feel anything like that. It actually feels really beautiful, and my skin looks really calm as well. I am pretty impressed, guys, with that. The only thing I will say is I will be interested to see how long the product lasts for, considering it was $25, which isn't that expensive, but you know, you can go to Chemist Warehouse or Priceline and get natural cleansing and moisturizing products for under $10. So I will have to take some time to see how long it takes me to get through the product as to whether or not it is good value for money. But in terms of its performance, I'm really happy with it. I would definitely recommend it. This is why I love doing these first impressions on camera with you, so you can experience it in real time. You know, it's all well and good for me to write a blog post on my experience with something and how much I like the product, but I think it's so much more beneficial if you can see me using it in real time and see my real reaction as I'm testing it. Okay guys, so that is it for my first impression on the Ethique Bliss Bar Face Cleansing Bar. I really hope that you found today's video helpful. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell down below so that you don't miss out on my future videos. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.